If you are trying to improve your health or drop a few pounds, this super drink deserves your full attention. Consumed for thousands of years, green tea has provided delicious medicinal benefits: weight management, disease fighting, energy boosting and stress reducing. Green tea contains B vitamins, folate, naturally occurring folic acid, manganese, potassium, magnesium, caffeine and other antioxidants, notably catechins. Some of the green tea benefits are: weight loss. Green tea increases the metabolism. The polyphenol found in green tea works to intensify levels of fat oxidation and the rate at which your body turns food into calories. The antioxidants catechin and caffeine found in green tea may have a role in helping the body burn more calories, sometimes referred to as speeding up the metabolism, which can help weight loss. Diabetes. Green tea apparently helps regulate glucose levels, slowing the rise of blood sugar after eating. This can prevent high insulin spikes and resulting fat storage. Heart disease. Green tea works on the lining of blood vessels, helping keep them stay relaxed and better able to withstand changes in blood pressure. It may also protect against the formation of clots, which are the primary cause of heart attacks. Cholesterol. Green tea reduces bad cholesterol in the blood and improves the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol. Tooth decay. Studies suggests that the chemical antioxidant catechin in tea can destroy bacteria and viruses that cause throat infections, dental caries and other dental conditions. Blood pressure. Regular consumption of green tea is thought to reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Depression. Theanine is an amino acid naturally found in tea leaves. It is this substance that is thought to provide a relaxing and tranquilizing effect and be a great benefit to tea drinkers. Antiviral and antibacterial. Tea catechins are strong antibacterial and antiviral agents which make them effective for treating everything from influenza to cancer. In some studies, green tea has been shown to inhibit the spread of many diseases. Skincare. Green tea can apparently also help with wrinkles and the signs of aging. This is because of their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities. Both animal and human studies have demonstrated that green tea applied topically can reduce